Another day, another story. Hello, and welcome back to our gardening channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to grow cabbage like a pro, from seed to harvest. Cabbage is a cool season crop that's easy to grow and is packed with nutrients. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this video will give you all the information you need to grow delicious, healthy cabbage. Step 1. Choosing the right variety. The first step in growing cabbage is to choose the right variety. Cabbage comes in different shapes and sizes, so it's essential to choose the one that's right for your needs. For example, if you're growing cabbage for coleslaw or salads, you may want to choose a smaller variety like Stonehead or Early Jersey Wakefield. If you're growing cabbage for sauerkraut or kimchi, a larger variety like Red Drumhead or Savoy might be more suitable. Step 2. Starting from seed. Once you've chosen the right variety, it's time to start your cabbage from seed. You can start your seeds indoors, about 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost date in your area. Cabbage seeds are tiny, so it's essential to handle them carefully. You can plant them in seed trays or small pots, filled with a good quality potting mix. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Step 3. Transplanting seedlings. After your seedlings have grown to about 3 to 4 inches tall, it's time to transplant them into their final growing location. Choose a spot in your garden that gets full sun and has well-draining soil. Make sure to harden off your seedlings before transplanting them by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a few days. When transplanting, dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and gently place the seedling in the hole. Firm the soil around the plant and water well. Step 4. Caring for your cabbage. Cabbage is a low-maintenance crop, but it does require some care to grow well. Make sure to keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged, and fertilize every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Mulch around the plants to keep the soil moist and to prevent weeds from growing. You may also need to protect your plants from pests like cabbage worms or aphids. Use a natural pesticide like neem oil or insecticidal soap to keep these pests at bay. Step 5. Harvesting your cabbage. Cabbage is ready to harvest when the head feels firm when squeezed. You can also check the outer leaves for signs of wilting or yellowing, which may indicate that the cabbage is ready to be harvested. Use a sharp knife to cut the head off at the base of the plant. After harvesting, you can store cabbage in the refrigerator for up to a few weeks. Growing cabbage is easy and rewarding, and with the tips we've shared in this video, you can grow your own delicious, healthy cabbage at home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, we hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening. Thanks for watching.